In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password on Metatrader 5. By the end, you will know exactly how to update your credentials on both the desktop platform and the mobile app. And you will understand the difference between your master and investor passwords so you pick the right one for your needs. Let's start on MT5 for desktop. First, open the Metatrader 5 platform on your computer. At the top of the window, go to the Tools menu and select Options. If you prefer shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+O to open the same window. In the Options panel, navigate to the Server tab. This is where your account connection settings live. Click the Change button. You will be prompted to confirm your identity. So enter your current password first. Next, choose what you want to change. The master password, which controls trading access, or the investor password, which provides view-only access without the ability to place trades. Pick the one that fits your purpose. Then type your new password. Confirm it by typing it again, and click OK to save. A couple of quick tips as you do this. Use a strong, unique password that's hard to guess, and avoid reusing passwords from other services. Keep in mind that changing the master password affects any other devices or terminals logged into the same account, since it controls trading access. The investor password is useful if you want to share your account's performance with someone without allowing any trading actions. Now let's switch to MT5 on mobile. Open the MT5 app. Tap the three horizontal lines at the top left to open the main menu. From here, tap Manage Accounts or simply tap your account name or number to reach the same place. On the account screen, tap the three dots to open more options and select whether you want to change the master password or the investor password. You'll be asked for your current password first. Enter it carefully, then type your new password. Confirm it if prompted, and tap Done to finish. If you are on a small screen, slow down and double-check each character. Passwords are case-sensitive, and a single typo can cause an error. Also, be sure to store your new password somewhere secure so you don't lose access later. That's it. Thanks for watching.